Did you know a master thief once rappelled from a helicopter to steal a priceless diamond star from a palace? In 2007, Gerald Blanchard pulled off the impossible at Vienna's Schönbrunn Palace. He used high-tech equipment to bypass every security system and steal the legendary CC star. But this wasn't his first heist. For 15 years, investigators tracked his international crime spree across multiple countries. He started with small cons, then graduated to sophisticated bank robberies and jewelry store infiltrations. His methodical planning was almost flawless, until 2007 when police raided his Winnipeg hideout. They discovered a high-tech crime lair filled with stolen treasures worth millions. Blanchard eventually took a plea bargain. Countless stolen artifacts were finally recovered, ending one of history's most elaborate criminal careers.